Alright guys, welcome back to Semper Mechanic. Today's video, we're going to be replacing the headlight bulb in the 2005 Honda Accord. And we're starting right now. Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to change this headlight bulb on the 2005 Honda Accord. But it's the same from 2003 to 2007. This is my son's car. He's about 13 years old, so he's not driving yet. So on long distance drives for work, we actually use this car as one of our work cars. And as you can see, it's our driver's side headlight bulb. It's actually our low beam. So we're going to show you how to replace that real quick. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. And I'll go ahead and walk around to the front of the car. We need to pop the hood up. If you look down, there's a little lever right there. You push that up. Now, first thing we're going to do is take our battery off. When we start taking our battery off, you always start with the negative side first. On this car, it's a 10 millimeter. And remember, this is for a 2003 through 2007 Honda Accord. Go ahead and set the negative cable to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. Now you come over here to the positive side. We're going to take this one off as well. Remember, set it off to the side. Make sure it's not touching any metal. We don't want it to spark. So go ahead and remove your battery. You might have an extra bolt holding your battery down. So go ahead and take that out. Well, I went to AutoZone to get the headlight bulb. They had some for $50, $60, and this is the cheapest one, $20 for one bulb. But on Amazon, right here, you can get both bulbs for $20, and it's a 1-day shipping. I'll have the link and everything in the description. So you just click on the link and it'll take you right there. So go ahead and open the package, but when you do, be very careful. When you're taking the bulb out, make sure you're not touching the glass portion of the bulb. Just hold it by the sensor, the black piece. So once we get this out, just set it off to the side for now. Now I'm going to show you where the low beam and high beam are. Right there's the high beam. And off to the left, that's the low beam. That's the one we're going to replace. So right here, if you're looking at it, and this portion of your headlights out, it's going to be that white one right there. But if you turn your headlights on and it's that one that's out, it's going to be the one to the left. That's the low beam. That's the one we're doing. Now the headlight bulb, the blue portion, the sensor, is facing straight down in the 6 o'clock position. All you need to do is turn it to about the 4 o'clock position and it'll come out just like that. Now this little clip right here, you can take a screwdriver or use your fingernail and you just pop it up and it'll pull out. Very simple. Now we got our new sensor. Now we have our new light bulb. We're just going to go ahead and put it in the same way we took it out. Just push it in until it clips. Once it clips, then we go ahead and put it back in. We got it at the 4 o'clock position. And we're going to turn it to the 6 o'clock position. And that's all. You give a little tug to make sure it's in. And that's all we had to do. And that is for the low beam. So all we got to do now is go ahead and put our battery back on. You put the positive first. So remember, when you take the battery off, the negative comes off first. When you're putting the battery back in, the positive goes on first. Now this is a 10 millimeter. A lot of batteries are going to be 8, 9, 10, or 11, 12 millimeter. Usually between 8 and 12 millimeter sockets will take care of most of them. Make sure you get them tight. You don't want the terminals or the battery cables to move left or right. So now we're going to go in the car, turn the headlights on to see if it actually fixed our problem. And them lights look pretty good to me, man. Very simple job, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. And at AutoZone, some of these stores won't do this one because you got to take the battery out. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Just a little tip for you. Show you how to change your headlight. If you liked it, Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do right now. Push the button. Whatever side is on, just push it right there. And like always, Semper Fi. Till next time.